Hello, welcome to the Great Garden Channel. This is my peace lily plant after a long stretch of slow growth, with leaves no longer glossy green and a plant clearly lacking vitality. Many people often think that peace lily only needs watering, but in reality, if the plant lacks nutrients for a long time, the leaves will gradually turn yellow, become soft and weak, and the plant will also struggle to develop more healthily. In today's video, I will share with you a simple organic fertilizer formula for peace lily using familiar ingredients available right in the kitchen. This formula helps support the root system in developing more healthily, make the leaves greener, thicker, and glossier, help the plant maintain stable vitality, and develop better over time. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you will not miss any plant care tips on the Great Garden Channel. Let us begin. Do you have onions at home? The first ingredient I use is onion. Onions contain many natural compounds, vitamins, and beneficial minerals that help support healthier plant development over time. First, use a knife to cut the onion in half. Next, slice the onion into thin pieces as shown in the video. Cutting them into small slices helps break down the structure of the onion, allowing the natural extracts and nutrients inside to release more easily during soaking or solution preparation. In addition, when the onion is cut into smaller pieces, the natural compounds also dissolve into the water more easily, helping the plant absorb nutrients more effectively during use. This step also creates a stronger and even solution, providing better support for the root system, leaves, and the overall vitality of the plant over time. After that, place all of the sliced onion into a clean glass cup as shown in the video. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, pour about 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup so the natural extracts and nutrients in the onion can gradually dissolve into the water. Finally, close the lid and steep the solution for about 1 hour so the nutrients can be extracted more effectively before using it for the plant. During that time, I trim away dry, wilted, or yellow leaves as shown in the video. This helps the plant focus nutrients on nourishing healthy leaves and supports the plant in recovering better over time. In addition, removing damaged leaves also helps the plant become more airy, limits environments where fungal diseases and bacteria can attach to the leaf surface, and helps the entire plant remain clean, beautiful, and healthier over time. Method 1. Pour the onion water solution into a clean glass cup as shown in the video. Next, use a soft cotton pad or soft cloth to lightly absorb the solution and gently wipe each side of the peace lily leaves, including both the upper and lower surfaces. Wiping the leaves helps remove dirt, water stains, and impurities attached to the leaf surface after a long period of care. When the leaves become cleaner, the plant will absorb light better, and the photosynthesis process will also become more effective. In addition, the natural nutrients contained in onions also help support stronger leaf vitality, helping the leaves become greener and healthier while limiting dullness or drooping softness caused by plant weakness. Besides that, regularly wiping the leaves also helps the plant become more airy, limits environments where fungal diseases and bacteria can attach to the leaf surface, and helps the entire plant remain clean, beautiful, and healthier over time. Method 2. Pour the onion solution into a specialized watering bottle, then gently water around the base of the peace lily plant as shown in the video. Using this solution helps provide additional natural nutrients for the plant, supports more stable root development, and helps the plant absorb water more effectively over time. In addition, the natural extracts contained in onions also help support stronger vitality for the plant, helping the leaves become greener and healthier while limiting drooping softness or lack of vitality. When grown indoors during watering, apply it gently using a moderate amount so the soil remains moist and airy, avoiding excessive watering that could negatively affect the peace lily root system. Method 3. Pour the onion solution into a specialized spray bottle as shown in the video, then gently mist evenly onto the leaves, stem, and around the base of the peace lily plant. The natural nutrients and extracts contained in onions help support healthier plant development, while also helping strengthen the plant's natural resistance over time. Light mist spraying also helps the leaves absorb moisture better, limits dry leaf edges and drooping softness, and helps the leaves appear greener and fresher. In addition, this method also helps create gentle humidity around the plant, especially suitable for peace lily pots grown indoors or in dry air environments. You should only spray a thin mist layer and avoid leaving too much water standing on the leaves to limit fungal diseases. I pour the remaining solution into a clean plastic bottle with a tightly closed lid and store it in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days for gradual use on the plants. Storing the solution in a separate bottle helps limit dirt, bacteria, or insects from affecting the quality of the solution over time. In addition, pre-storing the solution in bottles also makes future use more convenient, especially when quick watering or mist spraying is needed for the plants. Keeping the solution in the refrigerator also helps maintain better stability and limits odor changes or fermentation after several days of use. When needed, you only need to remove the stored solution from the refrigerator, gently shake it so the solution mixes evenly, then pour it into a specialized spray bottle as shown in the video. After that, gently mist it onto other plants in the garden to help provide additional moisture and natural nutrients for the plants. This method is especially suitable for indoor plants or plants with green foliage such as peace lily, orchids, anthurium, or snake plants. When used correctly, the plants will appear fresher and healthier over time. Results: after about 2 months of using the onion solution for care, the peace lily plant showed very clear changes over time. The easiest change to notice is the leaves of the plant. The leaves that were slightly yellow before gradually became darker green, firmer, and much more naturally glossy. The root system inside also developed more steadily, helping the plant absorb water and nutrients more effectively. As a result, the overall plant became healthier, stood more upright, and developed more evenly over time. In addition, the plant also began producing many new healthy young leaves, showing that the peace lily is recovering well and adapting more steadily to the indoor growing environment. When consistently applying the method correctly and caring for the plant regularly, you will notice the plant maintaining better vitality, greener, longer-lasting leaves, and an overall fresher, healthier appearance. If you found this peace lily care method useful, do not forget to press like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel to follow more simple but effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next videos.